Every mechanic deserves a toolbox that works as hard as they do. Today, we're diving into the top options that make your job easier. The Go Plus 5-drawer rolling tool chest immediately caught my attention for its balance between size and portability. It's compact enough to fit in tighter workshop spaces but still offers ample storage with its 5 spacious drawers. Each drawer glides smoothly on ball bearings, making access effortless even when fully loaded. What I really appreciated was the sturdy steel construction paired with a sleek black finish. It feels durable and professional. The rolling casters are surprisingly quiet and easy to maneuver, which saves a lot of hassle when moving around a busy garage. Can you imagine having every tool exactly where you need it without the clutter? Don't underestimate the Craftsman toolbox just because it's budget-friendly. This compact portable box is perfect for anyone who needs a simple yet effective way to carry essential tools without fuss. Its rugged plastic exterior resists impact, and the metal latch ensures your tools stay secure during transport. Inside, there's enough room for a decent selection of hand tools, and the removable tray helps organize smaller bits and pieces. Have you ever needed to grab your tools quickly and go? This box makes that easier than ever. The Gear Wrench 3-drawer toolbox impressed me with its clever design and solid metal build. With 3 drawers that fully extend, you get quick access to your tools without having to dig through piles. The powder-coated finish protects against rust and scratches, which is a big plus if you're working in rough environments. What really stands out is the balance between portability and capacity. It's not too bulky, yet it can handle a respectable number of tools. The top compartment adds extra storage for larger items, which is a thoughtful touch. Can you picture how much easier your workday could be with everything neatly organized and within arm's reach? If organization is your top priority, the Integrate 8 Drawers Rolling Tool Chest is an outstanding choice. With double the drawers of many competitors, it offers a place for every tool, from tiny screws to bulky wrenches. The drawers have smooth ball-bearing slides that open effortlessly, even when packed tight. The construction feels robust and stable, and the heavy-duty wheels roll smoothly across different surfaces. I found the locking system reassuring, especially in busy workshops where security is a concern. Don't you want a tool chest that keeps your collection safe and perfectly sorted? The W-Travel Heavy-Duty Rolling Tool Chest is for serious professionals who demand maximum durability and space. Its massive steel frame and reinforced corners give it a rugged feel that can withstand the toughest workshop conditions. With numerous drawers and compartments, you can organize an entire garage's worth of tools. What I loved most was the smooth gliding drawers and the heavy-duty caster wheels that make moving this beast surprisingly easy. Plus, the integrated side handles provide good grip for lifting when needed. Can you imagine having all your tools at your fingertips without ever losing time searching? The Winato Portable Toolbox is a refreshing blend of durability and mobility. It's built with rugged plastic and metal reinforcements, making it tough enough for job sites, yet light enough to carry comfortably. The clever compartment layout, including removable trays, helps keep everything from sockets to screwdrivers neatly organized. I found the latches secure and the handle ergonomically designed for easy transport. Whether you're a mobile mechanic or just need a toolbox that travels well, Winato's design really shines. Don't you want a portable solution that doesn't compromise on storage? The DeWalt Toolbox is a compact powerhouse for anyone needing a reliable storage solution without spending a fortune. Its sturdy plastic build resists drops and rough handling, while the bright yellow color makes it easy to spot in any workspace. Inside, the open layout suits a variety of tools, and the removable tray keeps smaller items neat. What impressed me most is the simplicity and practicality. No unnecessary bells and whistles, just solid protection for your tools. Can you picture grabbing this box and heading straight to the job without worrying about what you left behind?